I'm going to show you how to install Python libraries in PyCharm. First, open PyCharm and click on File in the top left corner to open a new project. Okay, here we're just gonna call it package. Okay, click create and then click this window right here. Okay, next, let's hover your mouse to the project folder, which is this one, and right click on it to create a new Python file. Okay, let's just call it install underscore packages. Click enter. Okay, all right, now let's try importing a library without it being installed yet. Okay, first let's type in import numpy as np. Okay, here you will see little red lines on the bottom of the library, and this indicates that you have not yet installed it. So in order to do that, simply go to the settings. Okay, search up settings. Hold on. Settings right here. Okay, and then go to project package and click on Python interpreter. Here you'll see all the different libraries that you've currently installed in your PyCharm. Okay, click on add and search up the desired library that you want to install, like matplotlib, numpy, or pandas, or anything of that sort. But here in this video, we want to try to install numpy. Okay, so search up numpy. Here we go. You can see it in the first one. Okay, just simply click install package, and then you'll just have to wait until it's successfully installed. All right, here, package numpy installed successfully. Okay, let's try importing the library again. Okay, so again, import numpy as np. Here, you won't be seeing the squiggly lines no longer, or no more, since it's already installed. Okay, so click on run. Right. Okay, again, you can repeat the same process with any type of library. All right, that's it for today, guys. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.